Hey everybody. So I did my makeup tutorial and London here is going to tell you all about it.
So, look at my mom's beautiful face. You see it? You see it? She's amazing. She's amazing. And I hope you guys subscribe and like this video. And I hope you give me a thumbs up and like that bell. And I'll give you my toys. I'll give you my unicorn and my elbow doll. And I'll give you anything. I got an LG one. Okay. Peace.
All right, guys. So we're going in with some voiceover because my kids would not let me be great. And London's going to do the voiceover for me. Well, with me. Right, London?
Yep.
All right. So right here, I put on some primer. I think it was a 24-hour primer. And there, I think I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows.
And she has eyebrows. She does it really good. And you gotta like blend it out with the eyebrows and stuff. You know how to do it.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Now she's gonna put the mirror on. She's like putting the mirror on, you know. Like putting the mirror like.
All right, and then I'm going in with my angle brush to go ahead and fan out the eyebrow pencil to blend it with my shape of my brow so that it can look natural.
And she's gonna make it in the normal shape of her eyebrow and keep on blending it until it gets perfect.
You like it?
Yep.
Are they too thick?
No.
Are they good? They're good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then I'm going to the other side, and I always go to the center and make sure it's even because you don't want even eyebrows, right?
Yeah, it looks nasty.
All right, so it looks like next I'm about to go in and with my eyeshadows. I'll put all the links below of the items that I'm using if I still know where I got it from. I'm doing a neutral color on this look, so we're going with a nice little rose tone.
And she's gonna put it on her eye and blend it in her eye and make sure it looks perfect and normal.
I'm doing the other side. Always do same thing to one side that you do to the other.
This way, that way, this way, that way.
Exactly.
Yep.
You don't want to do a whole eye and then do the other eye next because you won't do it the same, right? All right. And then I was going in with my smoky color, just doing a light natural smoke color for the day. Oh, there she is. Walking in my shot. See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, just because, like, yeah, I want to be in your camera.
So right there, I'm using a MAC brush. I'll also link that below. I usually use that when I'm doing my smoky eye. It looks like I'm yelling at one kid and the other one is sneaking up behind me. Girl, the whole quarantine's been like this. All right, and then I have my Ruby Kisses contour palettes. I have a light one that I do my highlighting spots with, and then I have my dark one that I do my contouring with. I take this in under my eyebrows just to clean it up, and it also lightens up my eyelid and lifts it up almost like a quick facelift.
And then she's going to do her next one to make it look shiny and perfect.
Shiny and perfect.
Yep.
All right. I don't know who I'm talking to. Was I talking to you in London? I mean, you were Paris. You London. My bad. You know who you are. And then I like to clean up the top too. Again, I should have said this in the beginning. I do my eyes before I do anything. My eyeshadow and my eyebrows first, and then I do my foundation. Right there, I have a setting powder. It's like a yellow banana setting powder that I set my eyebrows with so that if I start, touching my face, I won't smudge my eyebrows. It kind of sets them in place. A lot of people do this differently.
And she's going to blend it on her face to make her face look like it is now.
All right, so as you can see, I'm using my foundations. Over quarantine, I've gotten a little light, so I'm mixing them together, and they're both a dewy finish. One color is lighter than the other, and I'm going to blend those together on top of, it looks like one of my blush palettes, and I'm going to mix that up, And I'm just going to put it on my face. I'm not doing anything super full coverage. Again, y'all, we in quarantine, but you don't want to look like you always in quarantine. So there I am mixing it up on my palette, and I'm applying it to my face.
She's gonna rub it there so it can look clean and yeah, like you just like got, like you just got out of the shower and your face got look clean.
And as you can see, it's a very even tone. It matches almost perfectly. I actually never tried those two together, so I didn't know if it was gonna make me look ashy or dry, but it did really good. And I like both of those together because for some reason they don't crease, which after you smile and everything throughout the day, you get the creasing. So, okay, now we're going in with the concealer. That's an e.l.f. concealer. Again, I'll post that down in the comments as well, in the description, and show you exactly what I'm using here. I was a little bit nervous about this concealer because, again, it's darker than what I am now. So I probably would use a slightly lighter concealer. And I think later on after I blend this in, you'll see I'll apply another concealer to it lightly. There's the e.l.f. concealer. I put it on the highlights of my face, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead.
And she's gonna pat it and pat it. Wow, that looks really good.
It looks good.
Yeah, I like it.
Them eyebrows look good, girl.
Yeah, it looks good now. Mom, you made like a blink piece. You're like,
all right, so let's see. What am I doing next? Yep, there it is. The lighter concealer. I am a couple shades lighter than what I normally am when I'm out and about. So we want those eyes to really show a highlighted look around the T-zone area. And we're going to set it all in with that banana powder that I used on my eyebrows earlier. I really want a lighter setting powder soon when I decide to get out and go shopping for some. But this stuff right here does the trick. It keeps it all in place. And again, it keeps me away from creasing.
I used to go shopping for macaroons.
Macaroons? Oh, where I get my makeup? At Marshall's, right?
Yeah. Marshall has a bunch of yummy macaroons. It's so good.
All right, so now we're going to go in with some eyeliner. I think eyeliner just brightens up your eyes a little bit. Depends on how heavy you do it. Depends on how more evening or daytime your look will look. So I'm going at the bottom with some eyeliner, at the top, doing a little bit more blending on my eyeshadow. And some talking. All right, there goes my contour. I'm going to get the bridge of this wonderful black girl nose, baby. We're going to give me a bridge. And we're going to darken up these spots that sink into my face so they stand out a little bit. Get those cheekbones. Snatch the face just a little bit. Get the double chin because, you know, we're a little chubby right now. But it's all good. It's all good, right?
Yep, it's all good.
All right, and we're going to blend that up. And as you can see, when I put the darker color on, it kind of helps that lighter tone stand out on the bridge of my nose so you can start to see the shape. It's like a quick nose job. The best trick in the whole wide world. We're doing some more blending. That concealer that's underneath my eyebrows, we're going to do some more blending that down into the eyeshadow. Look, I had some in my eye. Girl. We're going to blend it up as well. We want to make it seem as though that isn't even there. That always helps the eyebrows stand out and look a little bit sharper. Darken up the contours a little bit more. That brush is just a nice blending brush. I dust off all my setting powder with that. Going back in with a little bit of eyeliner. Taking it up at the top underneath my lids. It See, you can see the difference. It really opens my eyes up. Makes it look awake. I swear when I don't have on eyeliner, people are like, are you okay? Are you sad? I'm like, no, I'm not sad. I just don't have no eyeliner on. Blend, blend, blend. Can never blend enough. And then right here, it looks like I'm going in. Oh, yes, my Ruby Kisses setting powder. Okay, this one is my natural color. I use just a little bit of that, as you can see. And I use my MAC blending brush, full cover brush. I dab that on there and I dust it all over my face. All over, all over. Down under the chin, on the cheekbones. And it helps set in all the blends. And it gives me that finish, like a satin finish. I love that stuff. Now we have the Milani blush. I'll also link that in the descriptions too. I haven't used that in a while, so I wasn't too sure about the pickup on it. You can see it a little bit now that I'm looking back at it. But I think in here, I asked London, should I use more pink? And you can guess it. She said use more pink.
My favorite color is pink, so yeah.
It makes me look like a baby doll.
Yeah.
So put a little pink blush on. Alright, so now I'm going in with a ROM MAC lip pencil. I'm going to line my lips. I don't do a really good lining job on my lips. I already got really big full lips, but I kind of line them just to add a little detail. Especially if I'm going to put on like a gloss or a lighter nude color.
You don't really have to be that good at line lips, though.
You don't? How you know?
Oh, don't really know about that.
So we blend in the lip liner really good. Almost looks like a light lip color.
Mom, you're like...
I'm just moving all around. I have a very cheap mascara because I wear lashes. I don't have any lashes on my face. So I darken up my eyelashes with the mascara, rubbing it back and forth just to get it darker so my lashes have a place to sit and they'll blend when they sit there.
Yep.
Go underneath and get the bottom lashes as well. I actually like this look without lashes. It looked pretty good. But I live for lashes, honey. I think right here is when I was asking you, should I put on lashes?
Yeah, you put on lashes because you like always wear them.
All right, so here we go. Those are the lashes I use. I got those at Kroger, believe it or not, a while back. I had already used them before. I put them in the pack and recycled them. I use them until I can't use them anymore. If they get real nasty, I usually can clean them off with some light shampoo with the like the mascara type brush, and brush them out with that and let them dry, and it's like they're brand new again. I use hair glue to do my lashes. Sure do. I ain't the only one. So I think right here I'm just gluing on. Put it on the glue. I let it sit for about 30 seconds. I'm going to pause. Come back. I think I'm going to pop one on for you guys in the video. Yeah, I'm going to pop one on for you so you can see how I do it. I've been putting on lashes so much that I don't use tweezers with them anymore. I just pop them on with my eyes. And I tap it in lightly with my finger to help it sit in my lash line. And it takes about a minute to dry. And there you go. I came back with 2 lashes. Voila. All right, so right there I have my highlighter. I'll link that below as well.
You saw me marching like,
So we got some highlighter in the same spots where I put concealer to brighten up my face. And we're just going to blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend.
Blend, blend, blend.
There we go. Looks good. All right, so I got a lip pumping. No, didn't say that right. Lip plumping lip gloss that I use there.
Well, it's actually like the lip plumper.
All right, this is my favorite part. that's the mist that I use on my face after I wash my face. And I also set my face with it when I'm done with my makeup. I like the idea of just kind of melting all the makeup together, and it does that for me. It gives me that effect as if I was out walking and I sweat a little bit and then it set back in, and it just looks natural, like it's just coming all out my pores versus it being matted on top of my face. And that is it. That is the look, you guys. So I'm gonna pin my hair up and come back, and there we go with the curly fro. And London back there, look at her back there with her messy hair, and had to show up. Paris had to show
I
up.
actually fixed it now. Yeah, because I'm like, oh, stop looking at my hair.
And that is the look. So you guys like.
I hope you like this makeup tutorial quarantine video. And I was actually pretty much in the video because I just wanted to say, hey, I want to come too.
And
Well,
subscribe, thumbs up. Not down, London, up.
Up.
Subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. And that is all, you guys. All right, bye. Got some pictures at the end of the final result. Thank you, guys. Look at you running.